How to verify TikTok Shop account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to verify your TikTok Shop account. And as you can see here on our screen, this is the page in which we will be able to verify our account. We are trying to create our own TikTok Shop account through the Seller Center. And as you can see, to be able to verify our TikTok Shop account, all we need to do is upload all the necessary information over here. We're going to have to select the business type over here, whether we're an individual, a sole proprietary corporation, or a partnership. We're going to enter our shop name, of course, the type of products we're going to sell, and most important sections over here, our type of identification. We could upload images of UMID, SSS, TIN ID, Voters ID, Field Post ID. Or we could also, or we need to also upload our certificate of registration or BIR form. This one depends on which region you are in, so it might have a different requirement. So those are the typical information that you need to have before you are able to verify your seller center. So simply prepare and upload those images. And then after that, you can simply submit and you will then be able to verify your TikTok shop account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.